Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Wix and looking to freshen up your site, today I'm going to walk you through a super straightforward tutorial, how to delete your header on Wix and replace it with a custom one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove your old header, add a new one, and position it perfectly, so your site looks exactly the way you want. Let's get started. So first things first, maybe you've been staring at your website thinking the header just doesn't fit your brand anymore, or maybe you want to update it with a new logo or colors. Whatever your reason, Wix makes this process refreshingly simple. I'm assuming you're wanting to swap that old header out for something fresh and custom, so let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your Wix editor. Once you're looking at your page, take a moment to find your current header. You'll recognize it because it's normally the strip at the very top of your website, the part people see first when they land on your page. Now, here's the easiest trick. Click directly on the header to select it. You'll see a light blue outline appear. After you've selected it, just right-click your mouse. And from the menu that pops up, hit the Delete option. At this point, take a quick deep breath. If you've never deleted something in Wix before, don't worry. Wix is pretty forgiving. If you accidentally delete the wrong section, you can always hit undo. But as long as you're clicking on the header, you're good to go. This step is like clearing out a space in your living room before bringing in a new couch. You want to make sure there's room for your new design. Now, with the old header gone, your page might look a little empty at the top. This is totally normal. Next up, we add in your custom header. Look to the left side of your editor. You'll see the Add Elements button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Wix hides all the building blocks for your website. In the search bar, type Header. You'll see several options pop up. Wix gives you a bunch of styles and layouts, so pick the one that matches the vision you have for your site. Maybe it's a minimalist, clean look. Maybe it's something bold and graphic. Click on whatever header suits you best. Once you've selected your new header, simply click on it. Wix will drop it right onto your page, usually somewhere in the general vicinity of the top, but not always exactly in the right spot. Here's where a little fine-tuning comes in. Drag the new header up to the very top of your page. Take a moment to adjust its position until it sits exactly where you want it. The header is one of the first things visitors see, so think about what you want to communicate. Is your brand front and center? Is navigation easy to spot? A good header sets the tone, just like the opening scene in a movie. And honestly, that's it. You've successfully removed your old header and popped in a new one that's truly yours. If you ever want to tweak it again in the future, just repeat these steps. Also, don't forget you can customize the header even further. Add your logo, switch up fonts, play with colors, and more until it feels just right. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, if you want more clear, practical Wix tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.